SPGC stock analysis next week and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end. Find out. Sachs Parente Golf is filling in a gap. Last week performance, we were up 80%, which is interesting. Ultimately, this is how my chart looks like. To put it in perspective, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors. I've made 35,000 videos figuring stuff out, and I've documented everything. Again, this is giving me thousands and thousands of correct predictions, which all of them have been documented. And with SPGC, the one thing that I want to see is a proper double break. A proper one. You know, I saw this expansion, a little correction, which is fine for sure. Like a little correction for me, it's even needed to start to pick things up. But unless I see this, then I'm just not gonna have my hands dirty. When I say dirty, it means pretty much me buying. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient, because I'm not gonna go and like relive to the same mistake over and over again. Losses are inevitable, so like that's not really a problem. It's me sticking to my edge. So I'm waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.